Just an update. It's Sunday morning. Oh, it's about 5 a.m. In about an hour, I'm leaving out to the Mustang show that used to be on Father's Day, but they moved it. And they also moved it to that town that got hit by the tornadoes that I've been making some shorts of, that I've been up there doing a lot of big uproots. Anyway, we're back to giving away the shirts, and I'm sorry. I've been working on the Crown Vic. So I made a video yesterday of me on this job, and once you guys are in this industry or any industry that you might be in, have you ever had a job that you just tell yourself, I really don't want to do it? This was one of those. I was called and told it was one stump with a lot of, two stumps. I went there prior, did the one in the front, and I thought that would be there would only be one left. They failed to tell me that there was two. I had already seen the one with roots everywhere, and number two was roots everywhere too, but not as big of a surrounding area. So what I show you in this video is how I tackle a stump with a tremendous amount of roots going all the way around it. The one in the front was a silver maple, which I thought that these wore because I was busy looking at the ground, but they're basically in the same family of tree. These are sweet gums. They grow the same way as silver maples as far as surface rooting, and they don't go real deep in the center. So just sit back and you'll watch. But real quick, the shirts are back. I'm giving away the shirts. All you got to do is make a like, comment on this video, and be a subscriber. And next week when I put up the video, I choose the winner out of the comments. I just plug it into a internet comment picker, and it computer picks it, okay? Anyway, all I have is medium, large, and extra large shirts. So it's the Stump Grinding Mafia shirts, and good luck if you win one. And they're free. Anybody, I don't care where you are in the world, if it picks you, it picks you, and I send it, all right? It's my way of giving back. And thank you guys for being so supportive. So, and to the haters, for me showing guys how I do stuff, I really don't care anymore. I just delete the emails. You wouldn't believe the emails I get. It's like I violated some kind of international code by giving out information on how to do stuff. I wonder if other YouTubers get the same crap all the time. But in this trade especially, there's some hostile people. God bless you. Sit back, watch, and I'm putting together this raw video footage. If it's a little rough or wind noise stuff, I'm sorry, I can't help it. I was in this backyard it was steaming hot too. Anyway, see ya. This is my Saturday morning, Mamma Mia. Roots going everywhere, roots here, and then we got another big one over there. But this is the main one. I mean, I got roots going probably 20 feet out. And that's how we're going to attack it. We're going to start at the bottom like you eat an elephant. One bite at a time. So. Oh, and there's another guy that made a comment on one of my videos that all trees or surface root trees. Well, he didn't understand what we're talking about. These sweet gums grow, and when they grow, they like to put laterals across the top of the ground. So God bless that guy, right? Anyway, it's about 7:45 now. We'll see what we can do. I'll let you know halfway through. I hope you could hear me. It's been 35 minutes. What I did was, we still got a stump here on this one. We got the big one over there. This one's big, but the other one's got more of a circle. All I did was go like a race car track. I grind around in a circle. I grab all the roots. That way I don't miss nothing. And now all I got left is the stump itself. And I won't miss any roots. But I'm going to take that skid steer the tree company left me. I'm going to drop the bucket, flatten it out a little bit so I can hit this 360 degrees. And then we'll move on to this one. And you already saw the root systems all the way out to here. There's a stump. I'll do the same thing, like a race car, all the way around. I got every route, and then I tack the center. All right, 2 minutes of using a mini skid steer. All I did was back drag the bucket. So now I got my stump. I got a level playing field to come all the way around this stump again. After I'm done, I'll do the same thing. The tree company will come in and do the final dress. All I'm doing is they let me use that to make it easier on me so I don't have to play with my blade or rake. Well, that one's done. 1 hour, just pushed all the chips in a pile. They'll come back and do all the grading. Now we're hitting this one. Let's see if we can get this done. Maybe an hour and 15 minutes to be out of here. Hopefully you could hear me with the wind. All the roots are chased. Oh my God. But it's all right. That's not, my job is just chase the roots. I don't have to clean up the property. That machine sitting there is just to help me to get around all this crap. All right, all I got left now, we're all in, is the stump itself. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 foot of stump left and one little branch off of here. It's a root, but it's like a tree. And what I'll do is I'll hit. I quarter up this thing like a pizza pie. And then if I have to, I'll move some of the chips out of the way with the machine again. But probably only one more time I have to do that. So right now I'm at, I think I can be done in another 40 minutes, which would put me at 3 hours on this job. So, and that's with taking a water break, and I've got to put some fuel in the old machine. So hang with me and we'll have the exact amount of time when I'm done. I'll show you.